We lived in the Bronx in a sublet apartment, and there was no way she could open a shop like she had in Poland and in Israel. So she ended up working in a hideous job in a fur factory where she sewed fur collars. And, you know, she came home covered in fur and dyes from the furs. And it was just, the work was so horrible. It was dirty. It was hot. She led a revolt in one of the sweatshops she worked in because the conditions were just inhumane. The majority of, probably all the employees that sewed the furs were Greek and Hispanic. And they really welcomed her because, you know, they all thought she was Greek by her appearance. She was dark-haired, olive-skinned. They all started speaking Greek to her, and until they realized she didn't understand. And they had no bathroom for the women to wash. It was very dirty work. They had fur all over, and ink all over their, dyes all over their hands. And there was no women's restroom. And my mother demanded that there was a storage room. She asked the boss to make into a women's bathroom. And he was rude. He poo-pooed her. You know, he told her she would be fired. But she organized the work stoppage. And all the workers, they took off their aprons one day. And the boss was completely incredulous. He didn't believe that she would do this. And he did eventually install a bathroom with a sink where they could wash their hands. I mean, it wasn't an outlandish demand.